Just mix lime with charcoal and you'll be surprised by the result. Since I started using this mixture, I've never bought it from the store again. Let's dive into this simple yet effective tip. For this simple tip, we're going to need a piece of charcoal. It needs to be new, but it can have been used before. Take the piece of charcoal and put it in a plastic bag. Then, tie it very well and close it. Once this is done, let's crush it with the help of some object, because we're only going to need the charcoal dust. Now, make a cut at the bottom of the bag and then use a sieve to completely extract this charcoal dust. Do exactly as I'm doing here to get the best results. This dust is worth gold. And now to finish, we're going to need a lime. Make sure to use lime instead of lemon as it is more acidic, which will be better for this hack. Once that's done, just mix it until homogeneous. And at this point, I imagine you're curious, wondering what this is for. With just these two ingredients, you have a powerful aluminum cleaner and polisher. Bet everyone has dirty, burned pots at home with some stains that won't go away easily. So here's the solution for this. Just apply some of the mixture directly to the pot and then scrub it with a sponge. This mixture is so potent that you won't need to scrub hard. Charcoal is extremely abrasive, which helps remove dirt and give shine to all your pots. Lime, on the other hand, is one of the main cleaning elements, especially when it comes to removing grease from pans. You can apply it on any aluminum and metal pieces at home. It's going to totally remove any type of stains and give an incredible shine. Just look at this impressive result. So don't forget to try this at home. I'm sure this can help you a lot in your daily life. It's very worthwhile because, besides being easy to make, it's pretty cheap and you no longer spend money on expensive products. That was today's tip. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.